Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reverse the videos in CapCut PC. So it's super simple. You have to import your video you like to edit first, and I'm going to select video that I imported, edit, right. So you can see this the original video. Alright, to see for different I'm going to copy paste, and for the second clip I'm going to reverse. How to just click on the reverse button right here, click, so reverse completed, and you can see for the final result this original video, and for the second this reverse video. Alright, that's how you can reverse the video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.